Hello, Brad Havermeyer, Hollywood acting coach with another Brad Bite. Quick tips to help you use acting in your daily life. Well, a big challenge, unfortunately, on this planet is that people don't seem to like you as you get older. In fact, in almost every circumstance, they prefer younger people. So I'm going to give you a quick tip on how to appear up to 20 years younger than you are. Whenever you're going about, try and wear youthful clothes, like t-shirts emblazoned with crazy characters, some of which look evil. You want to wear that around. You might want to tussle your hair and slouch when you go around. It's helpful to carry a skateboard and talk about that young singer with the hair. You just want to, you know what I'm saying? If you do these things, you're going to appear up to 20 years younger. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.